So I love my Apple AirPods, but I want to share one problem that I've had recently, and that is this. I have a lot of Apple devices in my house, and if my AirPods are connected to my iPhone, as soon as I move around and I'm near those devices, my AirPods will automatically want to connect to them. This can get annoying because I have to disconnect and reconnect, and then this happens over and over again. So if this happened to you, good news, I have found a solution and I'm going to share it with you in a second. But before I do, it would be great if you could consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, where each week I'll be uploading new videos on a variety of different topics. So thank you for your consideration, and now let's talk about AirPods. Okay, so this feature is called automatic switching, and normally this is supposed to be a helpful feature, and it might be helpful for you. But again, if you're in that situation with multiple devices that may be playing at the same time, we're going to disable this feature of automatic switching. So here's what we'll do. Okay, so the first thing we're going to want to do is to open our settings, and then we're going to tap Bluetooth. Okay, so the first thing is you're going to want to make sure that your AirPods are connected to your phone. Okay, and then once they're connected, you're going to want to tap the eye next to your AirPods. At the bottom, you'll see the option that says connect to this iPhone. This is that automatic switching, which by default is set to be on. So go ahead and tap that, and we are going to switch to this option at the bottom that says when last connected to this iPhone. And then just go back and you're all set. So with this setting turned on, you can connect your AirPods to your iPhone and move around your house without your AirPods automatically connecting to some of those other devices. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate the time that you spent learning about how to turn off auto switching on your AirPods. I'm going to leave you with a few videos that you might be interested in. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you again for watching, and have a great day.